Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode I'm going to open up the remaining Hot Wheels carded cars I have from the year 2000. But first let's take a look at the card. I noticed there's 3 different cards in the year 2000. So this first one has this corner kind of like cut off. It's supposed to be like that. The drawing is this vehicle driving away from us. Then here we have a card where the corner is still there, same picture. And then the third version is this one, got another vehicle driving towards us, and here it's kind of a bent card here on the top. So very strange. I don't know why they did that, but that's just something I noticed. So let's take a look at the cars. This is the BMW M Roadster in red. This is a pretty nice casting. It's got lensed headlights, part of the windscreen. It's got the 5 spokes. It's got some detail in the casting, and it's got the Hot Wheels logo on the back. Proper interior. So it's a nice one. It's metal base, metal body. So all in all, I think this is an okay one. Next one, the Jaguar XK8. So the card backs all look the same, of course. Here it says the year 2000, the number. Here it says World's Coolest Car Company, and some information. So this one also has the lensed headlights, part of the windscreen. The detail is okay on the back. You got a stripe running across. It has a plastic base, metal body, of course. Next up, Lexus SC400. This has the lace or snowflake wheels. You got the Hot Wheels logo on the rear quarter panel. No lensed headlights on this one. There's a little bit of detail molded into the casting, so you can kind of distinguish the separate lights towards the middle of the front of the car. Got a nice light colored interior. You can even see some speakers in the back. Double exhaust. Not a lot of detail in the back. So why this one did not get the headlight and taillight tampos, I don't know, because there's not a lot of deco, just the Hot Wheels logo. It could do with some more detailing, tampo detailing, because the casting is not very detailed in itself. But I picked it up because there's just not a lot of Lexus to be found in diecast, so I thought it was cool nonetheless, and it's a very nice color. Next up, the Mercedes CLK Le Mans. So this one is pretty detailed casting wise. Also got the lace snowflake wheels, Hot Wheels logo on the spoiler or wing. Lots of detail in the back here, so you don't really need the tampos, because this is pretty detailed. Plastic wing is, the wing is plastic, I meant to say. Black interior and a plastic base, made in China. It's a cool model, like it. Next up, Mercedes SLK. So this has a metal base, metal body. It's got these funny looking wheels, but a nice color. And headlights, Mercedes star in the grille, and a little one on the hood or bonnet. It's got the indicator light on the side, and it's got the word compressor. compressor written on it. So this doesn't have a turbo but a compressor, so it's driven by the belt and not by the exhaust gases. Got the door handle detail, Hot Wheels logo. Too bad it doesn't have the tail lights, otherwise would have been nicely done. Next up, another of those ugly Mercedes SL. I promise guys, it's the last time you're going to see this casting in a Throwback Thursday episode. This one has a protector behind it. Don't know why you would want to protect such an ugly car. I mean, not the car itself, but this die-cast version of it, it's way too narrow. These chrome plastic inserts are ugly. The color is nice. It's got the Hot Wheels logo in the back. It's got very ugly taillights. And to make it even worse, I've got another one with a different base. This one is a gray base. So the same ugliness, but just a gray plastic base instead of